Hi there, I'm Tammy.
Hi, I'm Martine.
Welcome to Sips for Change. With each of us having over 10 years of experience in the events industry, we're super excited to bring you this new YouTube channel dedicated to casual, engaging conversations about planning sustainable events.
So, whether you're a seasoned event planner looking for inspiration on how to make your next event more sustainable, or simply curious about what goes into creating eco friendly and inclusive gatherings, this channel is for you.
Every week, we'll sit down and chat over a beverage to discuss the latest trends, tips, and best practices in sustainable event planning. From reducing your event's carbon footprint to making your events more culturally inclusive and accessible, we cover it all.
Yes, and we'll explore topics like understanding the Sustainable Development Goals and how events play a part in moving the needle, navigating diversity, equity, and inclusion in events from regionally to globally, but also creative ways to engage your attendees in your sustainability efforts.
Awesome. But it's not all going to be about business. We're going to also share some fun behind the scenes stories, invite some special guests, and maybe even chat about some of the things that we love outside of events. Because we believe that great conversations are like great events, and they're all about connection and community.
So grab your favorite beverage, it could be coffee, tea, or juice, then settle in and join us for some enlightening chats that will inspire and empower you to make a positive impact with every event you plan.
Don't forget to subscribe to Sips for Change and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's stir up some great ideas together and make sustainability the heart of every gathering.
Cheers to more sustainable events and see you soon.